Demystifying the ACT Science Test. Know your questions. Hello, wonderful viewers. Today, we're diving deep into the ACT Science Test. By understanding the different question types, you can boost your confidence and enhance your strategy for the big day. Let's get started. The ACT Science Test assesses your skills in interpreting, analyzing, evaluating, reasoning, and problem-solving using scientific information. It's not just about what you know but how you use that knowledge. There are three main types of passages: data representation, research summaries, and conflicting viewpoints. And, with these passages come distinct question types. Data representation questions make up about 38% of the science test. They are based on graphics or tables. Test your ability to read and interpret graphical information. Example: a graph might show how the temperature of water changes over time when heated. A question could ask at which time the temperature was highest. Key strategy: focus on trends and relationships in the data, rather than small details. Making up about 45% of the test, research summaries questions. Provide descriptions of one or more related experiments. Test your understanding of the scientific method and experimental setups. Example: an experiment might test how plants grow under different colored lights. A question could ask about the results of plants under blue light compared to red. Key strategy: understand the purpose, procedure, and results of each experiment. Taking up the remaining 17% of the test, conflicting viewpoints questions. Present different theories or hypotheses on a single scientific topic. Test your ability to compare, contrast, and evaluate different viewpoints. Example: two scientists might have different theories about the cause of a certain phenomenon in space. A question could ask you to identify a belief that both scientists share. Key strategy: identify and compare the main ideas of each viewpoint. Understand where they agree and disagree. That wraps up our exploration of the ACT Science Test question types. Remember, understanding the nature of these questions is half the battle. With the right approach and consistent practice, you'll be well on your way to acing the science test. We hope this video has been illuminating. Best of luck with your test preparation, and see you in the next video.